elongation of the eyeball, what it is and why it's happening to you. When your eyeball decides to go long mode, have you ever felt like your long distance vision went on vacation? Like you're looking at something in the distance and your eyes are like, no, 8 inches from your face maximum. Congratulations, you might be dealing with an elongated eyeball. We're talking about myopia. The too much studying. Look, when books betray your eyeballs, spend enough time staring at the books, phones or screens up close, and your eye muscles, especially the oblique eye muscle, which is responsible for squeezing the eyeballs, to focus near, get so tired from 3 hours staring at the phone that they cannot relax and release eyes to go back to spherical shape. Too much close-up work and not enough long distance can cause elongated eyes, unable to focus far. Accommodative spasms, aka your eyes are stuck to close-up mode. Imagine your eyes are like a camera lenses, but instead of a sleek autofocus feature, they stuck in a selfie mode. That's accommodative spasms, where your oculomotor muscles, ciliary muscles, the ones that help your lens focus, lock in for close-up watching. Eye muscles need stretching too. Here's the thing, your oblique muscles, the ones that help your eyes to focus up close, get tight, strained and overwork from constant near work. It's like holding dumbbells in a static position and never extending your arms. Congratulations, your biceps are jacked, but you cannot reach for the cup of coffee. Your eyes are stuck in a visual plank, always tense, never relax. And just like your back after 12 hours laptop work, they spasm. And when they spasm long enough, your eyeballs stay squeezed by the eye muscles. We live in a close-up time now. And as soon as you catch these accommodative spasms, elongated eyeball, welcome to progressive myopia. Spasm intensify. Because the eye muscles are not getting enough stretching, relaxation and overall chance to recover. You look far, but your eyes just cannot. Even you try to look far, but your eyes are like, what is that? A cloud? A bird? A blurry neighbor? That's because they're not switching focus properly. They've been conditioned to see only what's 2 feet away. Sends you TikTok, Instagram and 5 hours of After Effects. Let's take Sarah, graphic designer, by day Instagram scroller, by night she started experiencing blurry vision at the grocery store. Turns out her oblique muscle was so used to close up, her eyes treated cereal boxes 6 feet away like an abstract painting. Optical Picasso. The not so fun science of elongated eyeballs. Elongation of the eyeball isn't just a weird fun fact, it's an adjustment to your lifestyle. Your retina, when your eyeballs stretch forward, always under tension and not recovering fully. This leads to blurry distance vision, increased risk of retinal detachment, and a lifetime of propaganda of stronger glasses. By 2050, half the world's population could be myopic, according to the World Health Organization. Half. So either evolution is preparing us for a close-up only society, or we need to start taking eye health seriously. Blink, stretch, look away, save your eyeballs before they go full noodle mode. If you stare at a screen long enough, your eyes start to think it's home. We weren't born to stare at glowing rectangles all day. Cavemen didn't sit around binge watching cave paintings. Your eyes are like, hey boss, we're supposed to look near and far, near and far. But all we've done today is stare at emails, YouTube thumbnails and some podcast in 4K. Your face is trying to tell you, Captain, the eye ship need blinks before we crash into Blurryville. Diagonal eye stretchers. Yoga for your eyeballs. Yes, really. Eye muscles are like any other muscles. You don't abuse them until they cramp. You overuse them in one direction and boom, accommodative spasms, and trap your vision in close-up jail. Is where the diagonal eye stretches come in. Every 1 hour. Pause and trace your gaze like you're drawing an X on your mental whiteboard. Top left to bottom, top right, bottom left. Boom, that's your eyes version of stretching after sitting for hours. Circular eye movements. Close your eyes for 20 seconds and imagine how tension melts and eyes relax. Your eyes need a break, not a breakup. Every minute you stay locked on your screen, your eyes scream internally. We need distance, emotionally and optically. And yet, we ghost them harder than our gym memberships. The fix. Look 20 feet away, every minute or two, out the window, at a plant, at a current from accounting, anything that isn't your glowing productivity trap. This allows your ciliary muscle to switch focus and reset, preventing your eyeballs from elongating like a sad balloon animal. Blink like it's your job, because it's kind of is. Here's a fun fact. You blink 77% less when using screens. That's like forgetting to breathe because you are reading tweets. You might be alive, but you're suffering. Dry eyes, tired eyes, blurry vision. That dry, scratchy like a sandpaper vision's notification. Hey legend, how about a little blink? Blinking every second, or at least consciously, more relubricates your eyes, prevent dryness and helps your vision stay crisp. Final words. Don't wait for glasses stronger than telescope lenses. Elongated eyeballs aren't a life sentence. They're a wake-up call. Your eyes are screaming for variety, for movement, for blinking. So do your eyes a favor. Stretch diagonally. Like they're in a Pilates class. Look away from the screen like you're avoiding your ex. Blink like you're trying a staring contest with life. Because your eyes aren't tools, they're your windows to the world. Let's keep them from turning into projectors for blurry, stretched out nonsense.